CAD software aims at improving teamwork around technical drawings. In today's reality, modern CAD workflows are calling for modern tools to work efficiently on DWG files anywhere. Let us introduce you to the ARES Trinity of CAD software, enabling teams to achieve true collaboration across platforms and devices. ARES Commander is simply working as you were always used to, both in 2D and 3D. You can use local files as before, but you can also synchronize your work with a large number of cloud services and enable real-time collaboration with other users and devices. Nothing to install, nothing to update. The online version, ARES Kudo, allows you to access and modify your files on any occasional computer directly in an internet browser. With ARES Touch, you can take your drawings on-site, and they're always up to date. Feedback can be shared as photos, audios, or text comments, and changes or new contributions will be notified through emails. You can view the version history of a drawing, compare modifications, and, if needed, revert back changes. You could even share a free and password-protected view-only link to a drawing, so that people with no access to ARES products can share their feedback using a browser. Get the ARES Trinity of CAD to embrace modern technologies and improve collaboration. Visit our website to learn more and activate a free 30-day trial.